Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your boy G Money signing in live from the GFM zone. Hey, real quick, I'm going to share this tool that I use quite frequently in business and in personal life. It's called a SWOT analysis. I'm going to say it again, SWOT analysis. The S is for your strengths, the W is for your weaknesses, the O is for your opportunities, and the T is for your threats. So let's break this down real quick. The S for your strengths. That's things that come to you easy, things that people seek mentorship or advice for. Those are your strengths. You would do it if you wasn't compensated for. The W is for your weaknesses. As much as we need to identify our strengths, we also need to identify our weaknesses so we can better address them and find solutions to turn that weakness into a strength. The O is for opportunities. You know, if you can monetize your strengths and minimize your weaknesses, that can create opportunity. So opportunities could be maybe you can develop a curriculum, a course that somebody could take. Maybe you can do a webinar. So these are opportunities if you minimize and or eliminate your weaknesses and focus on your strengths. And then the T is for your threats. You know, your threats is anything that's going to deter you from not accomplishing your goal, your aspirations, your dreams, and everything else that you're looking to succeed in life. So your threats is just your weaknesses, and threats is just as important as your strengths and your opportunities. Okay, it's your boy G Money signing out live from the GFM zone. Like, share, comment. Remember the SWOT analysis. It could be beneficial if you utilize this tool that I'm sharing. All right, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Salute, fam.